Now, Chef Raphael, as we know him right now, is I'm a professional chef for starters. But who am I right now is who I am right now is the guy who teaches you how to cook. I quit my job in being a chef, like in a conventional way, working in a restaurant or a hotel, and started doing what I do. And I've been doing this for now about 6 years now. But even when I was starting social media, it was a stepping stone to be on TV. Because when I started, I knew what is lacking in Kenya is we don't have we don't have food shows. Okay, when it comes to engagement on social media, what I've learned is that, again, it has to be genuine. It has to be you. Choosing a career, for example, choose a career that you're passionate, that you love. Do something that, even if you're not paid, you'll still want to do it. So that should be the case for social media, especially. Love what you're doing and do what you love.
So, Chef Raphael's mentorship course, take 1.
Action! Take it.